Okay, so we're going to now get to nitty gritty. I've got basically 3 days to finish this costume. So I've been to the UK. While I was there, I've picked up the rest of the bits of costume that I fell down a 3D printing rabbit hole has printed for me. Thank you very much. Link in description. Go and check his stuff out. As you can see, we've got a lot of the fluff. Still got some scaffolding on it, but a lot of fraying away. And due to this fraying away, the situation is he's given me a tub of resin. Give me a tub of that 2-part. Bang it in a bucket, mix it all up. So the idea is I will make a belt, either using elastic pieces between each piece and then I put it on, or I'll get a belt from upstairs and thread it through. Haven't decided yet because, as per usual, I'm just going with the flow. So that's the front. There we go. So first things first, let's have a look at what we got. So we've got some splitting at the top and it is fragile. So I'm going to seal it up with a lighter. But first things first, got to get rid of all this fluff. We've got to seal that. The lighter will do the same. Outside will all be covered in the resin, which will fall into the lines and also make him shiny and also make him extremely tough. So basically, as you can see right here, I've had 2 brain waves. Hear me out. So either I put this elastic in, okay, so it's flexible. That's one option. But I was also thinking this is an option of putting the zigzaggy foam in. So I've got basically a zipper, so I can go to the toilet. Which I think is a good idea. Never done it before. And if it doesn't work, I can take it off. But it does mean as well that the 2 pieces are separate rather than being attached with the elastic. And what do you think? Drop a little note in the comments. Let me know. I'm gonna go for this foam idea, this route, because I've never done it before. I am one for challenges and I am one for new ideas, because if this works, I throw this away all the time and it's great for putting inside sort of, I'm using it to hold the arms on. People throw it away and they connect, you know, and they're very strong. People use them for inside helmets and that as well. You got the textures back. And you got smooth. Texture is best for sticking to stuff. The glue gun is basically sort of the same sort of temperature as when the PLA is actually printing. So when you do this, it does literally bond them together pretty well. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to clip that in there. So a bit of Velcro here, and a bit of Velcro there, at the bottom. I'm going to make this twice as long so it can be grabbed easily by me. Like so. There we go. So, good. I've got a big bit at either side, so I can get in and out of it. Right. So for now, let's just leave that like that and do that. So next is going to be the clips. Alright, I just have to attach, so we need to have the clips on here, don't we? So one that side, one the other side. Yeah. Now let's have a bit of elastic to my legs. My nappy. Nappy, nappy. Nappy. Nappy, nappy. Hey? Looks like something Dr. Robotnik would be wearing. It's working. It's working. I'm going to weld, like I did earlier, all the pieces together. I'm also going to put some of those clips on the back panels. I'm going to do that without filming to save my editing, and also means I can play music in the background without getting a copyright strike. The world's gone crazy. I do miss the old YouTube so much. I need to phone my dad and find out if I can use his little carport to lay down my armor and then paint it in the epoxy. Oh, he'll say something stupid. You ready? He will say something stupid, so we'll get the mic down there.
Hi.
Hello?
Hello.
I'm back on the island.
You're back?
Yes, I'm back on the island.
I'm pleased you contact me, because I was sort of saying, I wonder when you're going to book your sailing. Yeah.
Sailing? I've been and gone. Done it.
I know you said that.
And fair enough, you'll remember I told you, you put it in your calendar and you put it on your wall planner.
I haven't seen it.
You haven't seen it.
This morning I was only going through Instagram, and I was clicking, but I wasn't getting anywhere.
Yeah,
anyway.
and you probably don't even know what it is.
Huh?
You don't even know what Instagram is.
No, I do not. I don't.
I was given some thingy proxy. You mix A and B together and then you can paint it on stuff and it goes hard and shiny.
Good.
But I got nowhere to do it. And I was thinking your little carport area might be a good idea, you know what I mean? Because it's like under cover.
Why not? Okay. Right, well, we'll see you tomorrow. Yeah.
Okie dokie, right. I'll see you tomorrow. Okay. I'm going to be using this proxy stuff to nerve my nervous wreck, because I've never done it before and
It's got to be right.
I've got to do it right. But 20 minutes, so I have put things in ways where I think I can get around without things touching. I believe. So here we go. You ready? Book it. So 5 minutes timer. As soon as this goes in, I start mixing. So first it'll be okay. Right. What it is. Right. Okay. Cool. So.
There, isn't there?
There is. What time is it now, Dad?
Shall I leave you in peace?
Oh, it's okay. What time? How long have we got left? You were the counter?
I'll leave you in peace.
Yes.
What?
It's 12:05. I think it's just
One job.
Yes, okay.
One job.
One job.
That was nerve-wracking. This lot is now covered. They look beautiful. So that. Good. Go shine. Obviously I didn't sand it, so oh, that's pretty good, isn't it?